Shineworldgroup is a global leader in wire and cable machinery, headquartered in China. We have been in the industry for over 21 years now. We have built strong expertise in cable industry and cable production. Our machines have powered industries across Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and now Africa. We have our branch office in Nigerian at number 29A Remi Fani Kayode Street, Ikeja, Lagos State. We are here in Nigeria to bring advanced, efficient, and reliable machinery to power Nigeria's growing cable industry. To provide turnkey solutions startup, to support factories, investors, and manufacturers in producing world-class cables locally. Our machine spans from drawing machines, stranding machine, extrusion machine, bunching machine, cabling machine, auto-coiling machine, wrapping machine, rewinding machine, stripping machine, welding machine, braider rewinding machine, testing machine, cable recycling machine, laying up machine, printing machine, and many other machines. At Shineworldgroup, we provide more than just machines. We provide end-to-end support, from installation to training, local services, maintenance services, technology transfer from China HQ, opportunities for investors and manufacturers to grow with us. Contact us today through the phone number displayed on your screen, or stop by our office at 29 Remi Fani Kayode Avenue, GRA, Ikeja, Lagos State, for a physical meeting with our team. We are always ready to attend to your inquiries, guide you through our solutions, and help you make the best decisions for your production needs. You can also request a live demonstration of any of our machines, allowing you to see their performance, efficiency, and capabilities firsthand. At Shineworldgroup, we remain committed to delivering world-class cable manufacturing machinery and unparalleled support to our clients across Nigeria and beyond. Shineworldgroup. Yes, we can!